Okay, so welcome back to Gooma These Coins and Banknotes, and the next part of this series is doing a typeset from Hong Kong. Okay, so yeah, don't worry about the fossils in the background. This is something that I also like to collect. So this is a brittle star fossil from 450 million years ago, Ordovician. So this is the origination, it's probably also the formation, and it's from Morocco, and this is got this in Hong Kong. If anyone wants to buy fossils in Hong Kong, there you go to that store. Okay, and little Buddha floating in water. Anyway, so that's something I got from China. Okay, so this series is not a hard series to get. There might be a few live mint coins. Okay, so this series consists of 10 cents to $5. There's also $10, but I've got all that. And so no, I don't have all that actually. I've got the 1994, 95, 96, so I'm missing 1993. That only comes in sets, and also the 1998, which is a rare coin. Either they're not going to issue them, or basically they're still in storage. Okay, so we have the 10 cent coins. So we got the Queen Elizabeth II series, and the next one is the current series, and I've got these start at 1982, which I've got here, and these ones are to 1992, so I think I've got the whole set. So we have 82, 83 and 84 with the Arna Bakken effigy, and then we got the next effigy, which is the MacLoof effigy, and that starts from 1985. We have 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92. So basically for that, all we're doing is upgrading the actual coins that I've got. Okay, so I've got three. I've got 1985, 1990, 1983. And I believe that the 1983 is actually quite good in the first place. Okay, but I think I'm going to replace that. Let's look at the other side. Okay, yeah, I'll keep the new one. Okay, 1990. Actually, what's the other one? 85. Yeah, it looks like the 85 in this one's in pretty poor condition. Okay, new one I'll probably keep. Yep, definitely. So that's an upgrade to that coin. And then we have 1990, which is in pretty good condition in the first place. And you can still get these in circulation in Hong Kong. And these ones generally don't have that much circulation because they started to be replaced in 1993 with these coins. So these are nickel, I think they're nickel brass. And these ones are brass plated steel. Okay, so for the new one, I have 84, 85, so I don't have that one, so that one's going in the actual set. So I need 86, 87, then you got 88, and then you got 2017, so I'm just missing 2 coins from that one. Okay, the next one we have is the 20 cent coins, and as you can see I got 2 gaps, so I'm missing a few coins in this one. On another thing, for the 10 cent coins, the 19, so we've got 93, but I've never seen any of those in circulation. So basically they were just issued in coin sets along with all the other denominations, but the $1 and the $10 were never issued in circulation as well. Okay, the 20 cents and $2, because they're new denominations, start from 1975. So I got 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Then gonna need to fold this over, and then we've got 80 to 80. So we've got 82, so there is no 81, so I'm missing 83 here. And we've got 85, so there is no 84. And then we've got 88, so we're missing the 88, so there is no, as you can see, 20-cent coins in that. So there is no 86 or 7, so 88. And we've got 90, we've got 91, so last year. Now as for these ones, so we're missing 93, 95, okay, 93, 94, 95, 97, 98, so there's no 96, and 1998 is the last coin that was issued. So we'll see what I've got. Okay, I've got 1978 and 91. Okay, so it looks like this 91 is actually not as good a condition as the one I've got, the new one, so I'll replace that. And these you can still get in circulation as change. Okay, 1978. Okay, both of these are pretty much in uncirculated condition. And this one has scratching, so someone's cleaned that. So scratching, scratchy, scratchy. So basically I wouldn't keep that because yeah, you can see little scratches on it. So I'm going to keep the original coin. Yeah, so someone's cleaned that. You should never do this coin, because if you wanted to get this graded, which you wouldn't because the value is actually quite minimal, you destroyed it. Okay, the next one is 97. Pretty rough condition. And I've got 97, that's in better condition, so really I'll probably just spend these back in Hong Kong. Okay, so the 20-cent coin, there's nothing really special in that. Okay, 50-cent coin. So we have the Elizabeth II series. So for the Mac and effigy, which is this, we've got 4 coins. So we've got 77, 78, 79 and 80. For the MacLoof, we've only got 90. There is a 1988, it's only issued in sets, so, and that's basically it for that series. So what we have here, we just have the one coin, 1977, first year of issue, and I can pretty much tell this has been cleaned, and yeah, it's pretty damaged, so I'm not even going to worry about that, just won't keep it, because I know my 1977 is pretty good in the first place. Okay, because, you know, I've got quite a few 1977s, and that was the best one out of it. Okay, now for the Bohemia series, so the Bohemia series, because they have that flower, so we need 93, which I don't have, 94, 95, 97, 98, so this is 98, pretty good condition, so I wouldn't even keep that. You can really get these 98s in uncirculated 15 and 17, and that's the last year of issues, 2017. So really I'm only missing 2 coins, so maybe I should go through the pocket change, see if I've got it. Okay, the $1, so we also got 2 series, so all of these, most of these come in 2 series except for the $10. Okay, and we have a more extensive series, so the Mac and effigy, these are all pretty much uncirculated, 78, 9 and 80, they're all over 100 million each. So this one's 1979, you can see it's banged up a bit, so I'm not even going to worry about keeping that. Okay, the next one is the Mac and starting 87, got one, so what one have we got? I've got 1989, it's toned, looks pretty good. Okay, 88, 89, is this one better? I can see this one's not toned. Okay, so which one should I keep? Okay, the one I already have is in better condition, so I'm keeping that one. Okay, then we have 90, 91, 92. Now, for the Bohemia series, so the current coins in circulation, so here's a 93, which should go here, but it's a nickel plated steel, so it's magnetic. Obviously only issued in coin sets, so that's going there. So the first one I got, so the only one I got is 94. It looks to be in better condition than this one. So really 1994 is the first year of issue for this coin. And is it an error coin? No, it doesn't look like it. So I'll just replace it. Okay, now as for the other series, we have 95, which is a pretty poor grade. 90, 97, so there is a 1996, which I don't have. And I should have kept the space. 98, 7 and 8, yeah. 13, 15, 17, and 19. So basically, I've almost completed that. Just missing 93, 96. Okay. So, yeah, there is a space for 96 there. Okay, the $2. Going separated into two because I didn't have a large pouch, so I've got 1975, and this one is, okay, because of the high mintage of this coin, they're actually pretty easy to get in uncirculated grade, so I've got quite a few of them in high grade. I think the mintage was 60 million. You can look on Numistar. So this one's the best one I had, and yeah, I'll keep the new one that I got. So that's an upgrade. Okay, the next coin I have, so I've got another two. These are all 98s, and as you can see, this one's in pretty poor condition, so check for errors. No, don't see any, so really not worried about that. Okay, so this one, 98. Yeah, it's okay, it's a bit scratched, so it's been around the bin. Okay, but first of all, for these $2, do I have all of it? So I got 1975. Okay, 78's a key date, only 500,000. Seems to be harder to get. 79, 80, 81, 80, what? 80, okay, 82, sorry. Should have gone there. 83, 84, and then we should have 1985, which I don't have. 10 million, so it shouldn't be too hard to get. 86, 87, 88, 89, and I'm missing 90 and 92. Thought I had those anyway. So that's that. And then we've got the current series over here, so 93, 94. Okay, where's it? Where are the other $2 I had? Okay, 97, 98. Okay, 2012, 13, 15, 17, 19. So really I'm just missing the one coin, and that is 1995. So really, and I could probably upgrade that one. Okay, where's, oh here it is. So it's 98, but the 98 one I got is in pretty good condition, so really I'm not going to upgrade that one. This one seems to have more scratching, although it has more mint luster. Okay, the last denomination we have is the $5, and this is quite a thick coin. So we have 1981. I can see this 1981 here is, okay, so this one's in uncirculated condition, and this is in pretty poor condition. Okay, so I'm missing 82, 83, and I've got 84, 4.5 million, so pretty low mintage. And they are the Mackin, then we have the McLoof. So the McLoof start from 85, and that's why I got the space there for 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, and that's basically it. The last year was 1989. So really I'm not going to keep that one. Okay, now for the Bohemia, so we've got 93 is the first year issue. Most of the coins I get from 93 in Hong Kong are well circulated. So we've got 95, then we have 97, 98. These ones usually, 97 and 95 seem to be pretty hard to get, so I'm surprised I got that one in pretty good condition. 98 doesn't seem to be that hard. Then we have, so got space for 2012 and 13. I should have those. You got 15, 17. The last one issued is 19. So we've got two coins here. 93, I can see this one's pretty well circulated now. 2019. So see if this is a better coin. Someone looks like someone's dropped it. Yeah, the rim edging. Okay, because of that, I'll probably just keep the coin I've got. So rim edge damage is actually something you don't really want. This one has a little bit, but anyway, it's not only dropping them on the ground, it's also dropping them in tills. So basically, that is my type set of Hong Kong coins. So I'm trying to get one of every year, not one of every variety, in which, nah, there isn't that many varieties. So anyway, all of these coins, I'll probably make a setup and try and bump them off, but I've got quite a few sets already. Anyway, hope this helps you with your Hong Kong coins and what a type set is. So that's basically it, and have an awesome coin and banknote collecting time. Thank you and goodbye.